Hello everyone, I'm Candy. In the How-To series, we discussed how to choose suitable and reliable Chinese suppliers, how to make the purchasing journey smooth sailing, and how to balance price and quality. And the selection of spare parts machining process is also very important. The appropriate machining process can not only improve production efficiency and reduce costs, but also ensure product quality and stability. Therefore, in this video, we will discuss how to choose the appropriate machining process for your project from 4 dimensions. Different materials have different requirements for machining process. For example, products made of plastic materials such as ABS, PC can be machined by CNC milling and other processes. However, when CNC machining plastic parts, thermal inspection and construction may occur, causing errors in their tolerance. Therefore, injection molding is often the first choice for machining plastic parts. If the machining material is a metal part, further considerations are required, such as the structure complexity and the batch size of the product. Damping is mainly used to machining flat or shallow 3-dimensional parts made of metal sheets. So, if the product has only relatively simple flat features and stretch forming, damping is the most efficient and lowest cost option, regardless of whether it is a large or small batch. And for metal parts with medium complex structures, such as internal cavities or complex shapes with thin walls, die casting or CNC machining are all good choices. If the product has an extremely complex 3-dimensional geometric shape, including deep cavities, concave surface, complex curved surface, special shaped holes, and other structures, CNC machining is preferred. The precision and the surface of quality of the part is also important indicators for evaluating the quality of machining process. According to purpose and performance requirements of the parts, we need to clarify the precision level and surface roughness requirements of the parts. For parts with high precision and high surface quality, we need to choose more sophisticated machining process, such as CNC machining, grading, and so on. For parts with lower precision requirements, we can choose more economical machining process, such as ordinary turning, milling, and so on. So, CNC machining is undoubtedly the best choice for machining process, but to control costs, we also need to look at the production batch. Production batch and the machining cost are important factors to consider when choosing a machining process. For large-scale production, it is necessary to choose a more automated, efficient, and stable machining process to reduce unit cost. For small-scale production, more flexible machining process can be selected to meet individual needs. Of course, in most cases, the production and machining of some products don't use a single process. For example, the tabular computer shell is machined using a mixed process. There are also subsequent surface treatment options such as anodizing, polishing, or other options that will affect the final quotation. The choice of machining process directly affects product cost, quality, and speed to market. On this aspect, no one has rich experience. If you still have confusions in related aspects, or if you have suitable projects, please contact us directly. This is Long Wang. I'm Candy. See you next time. Bye!